Dad? Oh, good morning, Slim. Why are you in my room? How long have you been staring at that window for? It doesn't matter how long. I actually just timed up the swivel perfectly. I've been watching you sleep. Anyways, you haven't made a video in some time now. The people miss you, man. I mean, yeah, I do shorts now to grow the channel. And we're growing like crazy, by the way. Thanks, you guys. Look, we all know shorts don't count as real videos. Yeah, I guess you're right. So what's the plan for the next video? Man, that beats the piss out of me. What's up, you guys? So there's like 4,000 of us now, which is pretty cool. It's been a minute. Ever since Hurricane, I've been trying to come up with that next thing. We tried doing some gaming videos. So you guys recommended that we play this horror game. It's just a maze, apparently. I've gotten to a couple of levels already, so I'm not really sure what's so crazy about this. Oh, both speeding up a little bit. See, I don't really get what's so scary about it. But we decided against that. I did what I typically do. I went on a walk. I went to go get the mail, and that didn't work, so I decided to go and get the mail again, and that didn't work. So here we are. There's an issue that's been kind of weighing on my heart recently, and that's white people and our rhythm. We don't have any. It's something that every other culture known to man has mastered, and the white folk just haven't gotten it yet. Few white folk can break into this category of good rhythm, but it's very few and far between. So from here on out, I'm gonna try and help this in any way, because I myself suffer from no rhythm. Today, I've got 5 tips/dances that you can do to up your rhythm/dance game. In most rap and hip hop, R&B, whatever the f you wanna call it, there's a hard drop in between every 4 to 8 beats. If you could just time that up and just throw a little swivel into it, just even like a slight thing, makes it look like you know the rhythm, even just a little bit, because every beat is in between 4 and 8 beats. Number 2 is the car start. If you could time up these bass drops with just even small car movements on the bass, put the key in the ignition, turn it. And while you're turning it, you can kind of drop back a little bit. You can't keep doing this move, otherwise you're gonna look like an idiot in the club. So you gotta change it up a little bit, right? Throw it into first. Throw it into second, why don't you? Then cruise, stop, nail a parking spot. So let's just try that again. Got the key in the ignition, turn it on, throw it in the first, cruising. You can cruise for as long as you want too. That's the best part. And once you stop, gotta throw it in reverse. Gotta nail that parking spot. Easy move, easy move. Probably like a 1 out of 5 stars in difficulty. Third piece of advice, don't do a dance move you just watched. You're allowed to try it out in the comfort of your own home, but don't go out in public and try it until you've nailed it, because chances are you're gonna look like an idiot. For example, the gritty. Everyone thinks they can fucking gritty. You can't gritty. Tip number 4, anytime you enter a room, look to make sure you know where every single exit is. Worst case scenario, people might point and laugh at you. So it's good to always plan a possible escape route, because you never know when you're gonna have to run. Can you imagine you do a stupid dance, everyone points and laughs, and you're scrambling in a circle trying to find the exit? Sounds like a nightmare. Tip number 5. Just feel it, just feel the beat. Just listen to it, give it a second. Life isn't choreographed, so why would you try and choreograph your own dance? If I'm feeling a beat and it's kind of wavy, I'm just gonna break into it, you know? Shit, oh shit. Take it easy, and at the end of the day, if you hit something dumb, nobody cares. Nobody's actually watching you that intently. It doesn't matter, just be confident. Unless you're trying to attempt the gritty, don't hit the gritty, man. Like, I literally can't stress this enough. You can't gritty. I'm sorry, you just can't. You can't. Don't even fuck with it.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, what is this, Oregon?
Fellas, it's Christmas season, right? You want to listen to Christmas music. Don't let them control you. Bing Crosby? Nope. Wham? Michael Bublé? Out the window. Listen to music from 500 AD to 1500 AD. I'm talking flutes, I'm talking lutes. Get to it. Peace.